Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iPhone showing no caller ID for incoming calls. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our step number 1 is to check caller settings. Sometimes the issue might be on the callers and they may have initially hidden their caller ID. Ask the caller to check their device setting to ensure that caller ID is not set to hide or no caller ID. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve many issues. So guys, open your setting, scroll to below, then tap on General and scroll to below, then tap on Shutdown and shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what you need to do, you have to just simply check software update. So tap on software update and make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then simply update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what we need to do, we have to just simply check do not disturb mode. If the do not disturb mode is enabled, then simply turn it off, and after that, trying all these steps and you are be facing this problem, then I will suggest you to do reset network setting. So reset your network setting by going to setting, and from here scroll it below, then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, and enter your iPhone passcode and reset your network setting, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.